Hello, genius minds! Welcome. Today we are going to have so much fun learning how to count all the way from 1 to 10. Are you ready to become a counting superstar? Let's go! Look, here comes our first number. It's the number 1. Can you say it with me? 1. That's it. 1. Let's find some things that are number 1. Look, one big bouncy ball. One speedy car. That car flies by. It's super fast and so exciting. Wow. One ball, one phone, one car, one TV, one pen. You're a natural. And what comes after 1? It's number 2. Let's say it together now. 2. Great job. Now let's count 2 things. Look, 2 yummy red apples. 1, 2. We have 2 little eyes to see everything. And 2 little hands for me. And look, 2 matching socks. 1, 2. You're doing so well. Next up is the number 3. Can you say 3? Fantastic. Let's count to 3 together. Here are 3 colorful cups. 1, 2, 3. And 3 sweet yellow bananas. 1, 2, 3. 3 bright crayons for drawing. Let's get creative together. And look, 3 fluffy cats saying meow. 1, 2, 3. After 3 comes number 4. Say it loud and proud. 4. Let's see what we can count to 4. 4 fast toy cars. Vroom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 adorable dolls just waiting for you to play with them and have fun. And 4 happy dogs wagging their tails. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're halfway there. Here comes number 5. Let's all say 5. Wonderful. What can we find 5 of? Oh, look, 5 colorful balloons floating up high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sparkling stars in the sky. 5 freshly sharpened pencils for your writing needs. And you have 5 fingers on your hand. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. High 5. What number is next? It's number 6. Let's practice saying it. 6. Perfect. Now let's count 6 things. 6 delicious red apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 awesome, colorful balls to toss around and have a blast with. 6 yummy cupcakes with frosting and 6 warm socks for your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now for the number 7. Can you say 7? You got it. Let's find 7 of something. 7 toy cars ready to race. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 twinkly stars shining bright. 7 little ducks going quack, quack, quack. 7 cuddly teddy bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, we are getting close. Here is number 8. Say it with me. 8. Excellent. Let's count to 8. 8 colorful crayons to make a rainbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chocolate chip cookies. Yum. 8 pretty flowers growing in a garden. And 8 wonderful books to read. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next number is number 9. Let's all say 9. You are so smart. Let's count to 9 together. 9 little fish swimming in the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. 9 juicy apples. 9 bright, cheerful birds are singing a super happy song together. Isn't that lovely? We made it to the last number for today. It's the big number 10. Can you shout it out? 10. Amazing. Let's count 10 things to celebrate. 10 shiny stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 colorful blocks to build a tower. How about 10 mouth-watering cupcakes, all decked out and ready to party? Yum! Now that we know all the numbers, let's count together from 1 all the way to 10. Are you ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hooray, you did it! Wow, you're doing great. That was amazing. Now let's try something extra fun. Let's try counting backward, from 10 all the way down to 1. It's like a rocket launch. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Yay! That was fantastic. You are a counting genius. Let's play a quick game. Can you clap your hands 3 times? 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Now can you show me 5 fingers? Wave them hello. Perfect. How about you jump 2 times? 1, 2. Great jumping. And now spin around 1 time. You did amazing. Counting is so much fun when you learn with genius minds. Great job today, genius minds. You learned to count all the way from 1 to 10. And you even counted backward. You are so smart. Let's count again in a fun way to boost our memory. Are you ready? Let's go. Here comes our first number. Number 1. Say it with me. 1. Look, 1 ball. 1 pen. Let's write. 1, 1. Great job. All right, let's count to 2 together. Ready? Say it with me. 2. Super fun. Crunch, crunch. 2 shoes scuffing along the pavement, making that satisfying sound, right? Count with me from 1 to 2, okay? Ready? Let's do this together. 1, 2. How easy was that? Seriously, it's a piece of cake, right? What's next? It's number 3. Can you say 3? Look, check out these 3 vibrant cups. They're perfect for brightening up your day. Let's draw 3 sturdy chairs. Time to sit. Count with me from 1 to 3, okay? Ready? Let's do this together. 1, 2, 3. How easy was that? Seriously, it's a piece of cake, right? All right, let's keep the energy up. It's number 4. Can I hear a big 4 from you? 4 adorable dolls are ready for some fun. Let's dive into playtime. Count with me from 1 to 4, okay? Ready? Let's do this together. 1, 2, 3, 4. How easy was that? Seriously, it's a piece of cake, right? You're doing so well. Let's count to 5. Can you show me 5 fingers? Say 5. Check it out. 5 colorful balloons just floating by. Isn't that super cool? Count with me from 1 to 5, okay? Ready? Let's do this together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How easy was that? Seriously, it's like a piece of cake, right? You're almost there, friends. Let's jump right into number 6. Ready? Say it loud. 6. 6 delicious cupcakes topped with colorful sprinkles. Who can resist those sweet treats? Count with me from 1 to 6, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How easy was that? Ready for the next one? It's number 7, a lucky number. Say 7. Here comes 7 little yellow ducks, waddling along happily. Quack, quack. Aren't they just the cutest little things you've ever seen? Count with me from 1 to 7, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How easy was that? Can you believe we're at number 8? Say it with me. 8. So much fun, right? Let's say it again. 8. Wow, fantastic. 8 mouth-watering cookies just waiting for you to enjoy. Can you taste the yum? Count with me from 1 to 8, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How easy was that? We're almost at the end. What comes after 8? It's number 9. Say it with me. 9. Look at these 9 juicy oranges. Aren't they just bursting with color and flavor? Seriously, what's your favorite fruit? Count with me from 1 to 9, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How easy was that? Here we are. Our last number for today. Number 10. Let's say it together. 10. We have 10 fun blocks to stack up and build the coolest tower ever. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You nailed it. All right, little geniuses, let's count again together from 1 to 10, just like we did before. Are you ready to have some fun? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hooray! Let's try counting backward, from 10 down to 1. It's like a rocket launch. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay, blast off. Counting is so much fun when you learn with genius minds. You learn to count all the way from 1 to 10. That is fantastic. Don't forget to come back and count again with us. Ask your parents to subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.